There are some people who falsely accuse the Quran of stating that the world is flat. The verses they use to support their claim are chapter 20, verse 53, He is the one who made the earth a cradle for you. Chapter 51, verse 48, As for the earth, we spread it out. How superbly did we smooth it out. Chapter 71, verse 19, And Allah alone spread out the earth for you. Chapter 78, verse 6, Have we not smoothed out the earth like a cradle? Chapter 79, verse 30, As for the earth, He spread it out as well. Let us now continue to understand these verses. In chapter 20, verse 53, chapter 71, verse 19, and chapter 78, verse 6, the Arabic word mahad translates to cradle, bed, carpet, and resting place. The general meaning of that verse is a resting place. The earth is a resting place for all living creatures. There are planets where the surface is just gas like Jupiter, or sometimes just water like Neptune. Those planets have no land like how Earth has. Thus, Earth is a resting place for us. In chapter 51, verse 48, and chapter 79, verse 30, Quran mentions that the Earth has been spread out. It doesn't mean that the Earth is flat. Rather, it emphasizes that the Earth has been spread out to accommodate humans and all living creatures to live on the same planet. The Quran, in fact, depicts the Earth round. In chapter 55, verse 17, the Quran says, He is Lord of the two easts and the two wests. Earth can have two easts and two wests only if it's round. In chapter 70, verse 40, the Quran says, So I swear by the Lord of all the points of sunrise and sunset in the east and the west that we are truly capable. This also indicates that the earth is round. So, the next time someone tells you the Quran says the earth is flat, remember to consider the context, the language, and the literary devices at play. Knowledge, after all, is a journey of understanding, not just reading. Share this reel to spread knowledge and follow me for more such content.